ang paggamit ng utang. So kinakailangan pinapalaki natin ang ating kita para mabayaran natin ang ating utang. So in other words, debt to GDP, yung GDP nasa denominator, hindi po ba? So habang pinapalaki natin ang ating GDP, pinapalaki natin ang denominator, ay napapababa natin ang debt to GDP over time. Madam Speaker, Your Honor.
Madam Speaker, Madam Sponsor, what is the debt to GDP ratio? I was not able to...
Madam Speaker, currently it is 60.9.
Not 56.3%?
56.3 is our target for 2028, Madam Speaker. And as we are progressing, we are on track, Madam Speaker, Your Honor.
So the debt to GDP ratio is actually 60%.
As of the moment, Madam Speaker.
60%. And the target, Madam Speaker, is 56.3%, which is still above the pre-pandemic levels. Madam Speaker, Madam Sponsor, is this correct?
Tama po yun, pero Madam Speaker, Your Honor, siyempre, sa buong mundo, nagsilakihan, lumobo talaga ang utang ng buong mundo dahil sa pandemya. Kinailangan talaga ng lahat ng bansa sa buong mundo na umutang just to be able to cope with the needs of something that is very extraordinary, ito pong COVID pandemic.
Yeah, thank you, Madam Speaker, Madam Sponsor. The country's target revenue as a percentage of GDP has remained relatively stagnant based on the records, prompting concerns about the efficacy of existing revenue-generating strategies. Madam Speaker, Madam Sponsor, what specific reforms or initiatives does the government plan to implement or improve this revenue collection?